Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm very excited. Before we get started, I will say that I am going to be ordering another Stitch Fix pretty soon after this one, and I'm going to be requesting workout stuff. So leggings, sports bras, tops maybe, but primarily leggings. Very interested in finding some new pair of leggings, so you might look forward to that. Whilst I'm opening up the box, I will kind of give a very brief outline, but there will be more information down below. Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where a stylist who works for Stitch Fix picks out a bunch of clothes that they think that you might like. They ship it to your door, you try it on, you decide what you want to keep, pay for what you want to keep, and then send everything back via a prepaid mailer envelope that is included in the box. You fill out quite an in-depth style profile. There is a styling fee of $20. If you use the referral link that I put down below, you can get $25 off of your first box, which means the styling fee is essentially waived and you have $25 towards anything in the box that you want to keep. A win-win or a no-lose kind of situation. Unless, of course, you love everything that they send you and then you end up paying for everything they send you, which is still kind of a win, but then you gotta fork over all that money. All right, this is one of their smaller boxes, which doesn't really mean anything at all. All right, so on top, we do have the prepaid mailer envelope that we'll put off to the side, as well as the style guide, pricing guide, those things, the style guide and pricing guide. Okay, all of my items are in this sack. Ooh, I am so excited. Lindsay, my stylist, knows me very, very well, so I'm very excited to see what she's got in store for me today. Ooh, we got some floral. I do like some chunky floral patterns. This is just a nice tank blouse. Definitely very airy. I like that. The pattern is okay. It kind of reminds me of like a Hawaiian shirt that you would see on a dad in Hawaii. It's kind of what this reminds me of. It's got some nice colors. I like the deep blue. This is the kind of floral pattern that I like, so we will definitely give it a go. Put it back here for now. Ooh, ooh, oh, every moment gets more exciting. This is an interesting piece. Okay, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see what this is. It's so cute. This, oh, I didn't even see what brand this is. My goodness, I am just off my rocker today. So this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Millie Pleated Cami Blouse, navy, size small. Nope. On to this one, which I'm a little bit more excited about. This is by, oh, this is by the brand O'Neill. Interesting. This is the Dottie Cropped Surplus Top White Size Small. This is very unique and very cute. I'm excited to try this on. It does look cropped, so I'll have to wear it with some kind of high-waisted thing, maybe with a bralette underneath, even maybe like a dark bralette. Maybe, I think I have a nude, oh no, I have a green bra. We have a green bra on right now, so I'll have to put a different bra on. This is unique and I'm excited about it. Ooh, look at the sleeves are nice and wide. We do have a band down here. Okay, I'm excited about that. Next, I think we have a dress. Yes, we do. Ooh, okay. Arms are getting tired from holding these up. So this is a dress. I can't show you the end. This looks like it'll fall around my knees. It is a tank dress which has some kind of crisscross in the back, but it's kind of hard to see. I'm hoping that it lays a little nicer once I get it on, but it's a little odd. It's got an okay, I like the color. I like the color a lot. The pattern is pretty good. This is definitely flower petals. Definitely flower petals. This is the Kalea Tasha knit dress, dark pink, size medium. Ooh, we have another pair of shorts. Oh, these are cute. I like these. Okay, these are the Just USA Willa Distressed Fray Hem Denim Shorts, blue, size 6. These are very cute. I don't have anything like these right now. They are high-waisted. I don't fit into a lot of my shorts nowadays, except the couple that I've gotten from Stitch Fix recently. So I'm definitely excited to try these on, and they look really cute. I bet I could wear these shorts with really any of the tops, but especially this one. I bet it would look really cute. And last, we have something chunky. I like this color. I like the way this feels. What is this? It's a cardigan. Oh, it's been a while. This is a dangerous box. This is quite a dangerous box. This is super cute. This is something that I have been looking for, something a little more neutral. I got a green cardigan from them, I think in my very first box ever, and I love it so much. I wore it just the other day, but I wanted more neutral cardigans, and this is just perfect. There's pockets. What more could you want? Let's see. This is the Cotton Emporium Valerie Texture 2-pocket cardigan tan, size medium. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Very excited about the shorts. Meh about the dress. Very excited about this top. And then meh about this top. Let's look at the style guide first, which also includes a note from Lindsay. Unless my stylist has changed. It has not. Good. Oh, okay. Oh, I need a floppy sun hat. Okay, the dress looks really cute in the pictures. I don't know if I've ever really showed my style guide, but this is what it looks like. So the note from Lindsay is up here, and then we have all of the pieces she sent and how they can be styled with other things that may or may not be in your wardrobe. It's time for the pricing guide. Ooh, nothing is over $50. We love to see that. All right. But almost everything is over $40. But still, I really don't think that that's that bad. Okay, the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Millie pleated the cami. This is the cheapest thing in the box. This is $38. The next we have the Kalea dress. This one is $48. Next we have the Cotton Emporium, the cardigan, which is at the bottom of my pile. This is $44, and assuming that fits well, that will definitely be staying. Next we have the O'Neill Dottie cropped surplus top. This is the most expensive thing in the box, which doesn't surprise me because O'Neill is kind of one of those bougie brands you see in like Macy's and stuff. $49.50. And then finally the shorts, $44, same as the cardigan. The total cost of my entire box is $223.50. If I chose to keep everything, I would get a 25% discount, which means I would get $55.88 off, which would bring my total down to $167.62. Okay, fantastic. So we got all my prices, which actually I was pleasantly surprised with the pricing guide. And now I'm very excited to put these on to my body and see how they look. Okay, so I have on the cami, and I also put on the shorts. I like the cami, but it's just not, it's not my jam. You know, it's like on the right path, but it's also not quite right. The shorts, I kind of feel the same way about them. Well, no, I like the shorts more than I like the cami. They're comfortable. I think that they're cute. They're just a little outside my comfort zone, but that might be fine. Your thoughts are appreciated. Okay, so those are the first two things. I think I'm gonna try on the other shirt, the O'Neill shirt, and then the dress, and then maybe the cardigan on top of the dress. Or maybe I'll try the cardigan on right now. Let's do that. Well, like I said, the cardigan is staying. I love it. I love it. I love the color. I love the slouchiness of it. Very cute, very comfy. It has the pockets, which I love. Please ignore the background. It's a mess in here. Cardigan is a win. A big win. Very much enjoy. Okay. Dang it. This is cute, but I don't really love my belly showing. So this is unfortunately a no. I like the sleeves a lot and I like the top. I just, you know, I thought that this had some promise, but it's a little too short for my liking. So unfortunately this is gonna go back. I did go show Alex the shorts and he approved. He liked them a lot. And the more I wear them, the more they grow on me. So these ones, I think the shorts are gonna stay too, but I need to get out of this top. Okay, we have the last piece, the dress. I was right, it does go down to my knees. I like the color, I like the pattern. The fit is pretty good. I think that it's really cute. Let me see if I can show you the back. Can you see the back? The crisscross back there? Definitely cute. I need to evaluate if I have a need for this. I definitely could see myself wearing this to like a wedding or just kind of any kind of family gathering that's a little more dressy. It's a very classy dress. Okay,
let me get changed back into my regular clothes, and we'll do some final thoughts.
All right, I think I've got all of my decisions made. The first is I'm going to hold on to the shorts. Like I mentioned, a lot of my shorts don't fit anymore. And because I'm getting older and, you know, just filling out in different ways, and, you know, my style's changing constantly. Not constantly, but, you know, it changes as you get older. I like these. They're comfortable. They're cute. I think I could wear them in a lot of different settings, and I'm going to keep these. And I don't think a wash like this, and I like the distressing on them. So these are gonna stay because I have a need for them. This is gonna go back. Just didn't fit quite right. Didn't like the way that it landed in the midsection. So this is gonna go back along with the other top. Just because something about the colors just don't quite do it for me. I thought it looked cute on, and Alex also liked it. It just didn't feel quite right. So this bad boy is going to go back. It is cute. I do like it. It's just not, it just didn't feel quite right. So we're not gonna hold on to it. The cardigan, are you surprised? She is staying. And finally, the dress. I am gonna keep this. Alex really liked it, and also I feel like it fills a need in my closet right now, because I don't really have something that's this cute, comfortable, and family appropriate, like fully family appropriate. Just I feel like it covers well enough in all of the areas, and it's comfortable. I really like the color. She was right. She said that she thought this color would look good on me, and I agree. So I think that this will fill a need in my wardrobe, and I like it a lot. So we are keeping 3 things, which is very exciting. If you like unboxings, if you liked this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Like I mentioned, I am going to be placing another Stitch Fix order for active wear right after this one, after I ship this one back. So if you'd like to see that, consider subscribing. And I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.